Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Trix. Today we're going to be doing a stream for Flutter. Sorry that you can't see my face in this stream, just that I'm going to be coding today, so can't really be doing, what's it called? Oh, whoops. That was my channel intro. I'm just checking that my stream is live. Hang on. Is my stream live? Yeah, it should be streaming. I don't know why live chat is saying it's unavailable right now. Let me check docs, chat. Sorry, live chat is unavailable. Is there a reason for that? Am I even streaming right now? Let me check. I can probably check on my phone if I'm streaming right now. Sorry, technical difficulties. YouTube.com. Library. Let me just go to my channel and check if I'm streaming. Yeah, I'm streaming. It's cool. I don't know why chat isn't popping up on my OBS, but I can probably sort that out later. I do have chat here, just in case. I'm assuming it's just because I'm not a big streamer, so I won't be able to see chat. But yeah, today, all I'm going to be doing is streaming me creating a simple budget tracking application. I have Discord open with my mates, just that in case any of them decide to scare the shit out of me or anything, I'm online. So, but yeah, let's have a look. Well done for getting this far. As part of the hiring process, okay. Okay, so first I need to make a GitHub repo for this application. So let me just make a GitHub repo real quick. Repo new. What should I call this? Trying to figure out this thing. What should I call this? For public, don't need a readme, don't need a git ignore, create repo. Cool, cd into docs. Cd, let's just do, what should I call it? Flutter goal checker. Let that just create. Oh, I need to check that my Flutter version's up to date, don't I? Let me check that first and then Flutter update up. Do I have a Flutter version to upgrade to? If not, then calm. If I do, then I'll just remove the old one. Already up to date, calm. CD into Flutter goal tracker ls git remote add origin git let me just copy paste it in that this not a git repo. Yeah, it is. Oh, there we are. Oh, if anybody wonders how I've got this layout for my Git commits, if you just create a custom message for your Git commits in your Git config, it will automatically load this preset, so you can make a template for all of your Git commits, and that's all I've done. So this stuff for the commits where it has subject, reason, solution, and note, that's the stuff that I've done. All of the changes are normal, and all of the changes are specific to the actual repo you have, but the subject, reason, solution, and note are specific to my custom Git commit template. Solution. I'm not going to include the list of changes. Next, commit will involve refactoring your code into architecture. Git push _ origin master. Let that push. Refresh this. There we are. That's the initial commit. Alright, so let's have a look at what we need to do. Alright, task, create a user experience, integrate an external API, unsplash images, create and deploy a data store, create and deploy APIs to interact with the data store, storing code in GitHub, describe to us how you have built your application. It's saying to use AWS via Amplify, but when I was talking to the interviewer, he told me that I can just use Firebase, that I don't need to learn AWS. They'll teach it to me on the job, so that's fine. I'll just do it in Firebase. List and create one of the more savings goals. So you know what? I'm first going to create the UI. Yeah, I'll first create the UI of the application and then I'll go for the other stuff. Because once you have the UI down, it's okay. Think creatively and develop a small but complete application, show a range of skills, creating UI using API, creating APIs and building business logic manual manner, show how you approach problem solving but with a bit of uncertainty, not everything has to be provided by you. Go for it, I'll stack. That's fine. They're telling me to use Node.js. I can't be asked to use Node.js honestly. This app should run from Android. Whoops. Is there a way to disable editing on this? View. Review layout. Insert no. You know what? I'll just undo and undo it. Ideally, your first actually is search GitHub with instructions to set up and run ads so that you can use. They're Flutter developers, so I don't really have to worry about that. But if they need to, I will compile it to a APK and then put it in the releases so that they can download it instead. API routes for simplicity, we should just run the recipe on the few operations that you really. Yeah, it should be alright. The following experience are just examples from our wider shows you that these was servicely reproduced. We are more interested in how your app has been coded. That's fine. That's fine. This savings bit, this goal button, and then these goals things, I'll start because this is mainly related to just the goals. All they really care about is the goal stuff. So I was reading this the other day. Savings goal consists. Okay, so app to list and create one or more savings goals. So let me just open Envim. Let's say let's see. There we go. I just wanna. I don't know why NV chat doesn't have NV chat info. LSP servers, you need to include LSP server's name within your Shaz LSP config. Hmm. My other NeoVim config actually had LSP installed already. I don't know why this doesn't have LSP. Theme structures, your relevant new inventory, telescope, indent, NV chat UI, tab from NV web directory setup, plugin list, chat extensions, update or hide, file extensions, buffer, LSP, and Mason. Auto completion is there. It's just my LSP is not working. I don't know why. Mm-hmm. Hang on. I was thinking, so for some reason my Flutter LSP server is not working. That's so weird. Oh, it is. I don't think there is another LSP server for Flutter. Yeah, there's no other LSP server for Flutter, so that's fine. It's still installing Ember. There we are. So if I do Q, if I go up here, GQ, the You know, I'm just gonna grab it. Oh my days. There we are. That's fine. Inside here, I want to make a. I want to make a screens. I want to make a utilities. I want to make a services. I want to make a widgets. And I want to make providers just in case I need providers. Inside of each of these widgets needs a layouts, and it needs components. Utilities needs. What does utilities need? Functions. No, constants. Services. Don't know yet. Screens will need homepage. Providers don't know yet. Just another data part here. I want to add one into here. Just so that when I push it to GitHub, it'll actually have the folders. No! Sorry about that. My mom just asked me if I wanted tea. I don't know how she's having tea in this such hot weather, man. Genuinely, it's so hot, and she's like, "Oh, do you want to have tea?" Are my exports like that? It's been such a long time since I programmed in Flutter. I'm so sorry. Let me just check monorate because I know I have exports in here. Lib, SRC. I have some in widgets. Export. Yeah. Homepage. Stuff. Export. Huh? Oh, I know what I did it in. Then this one is fine, that one's fine, this one, that's fine. Inside of app, just want to import what is it again? This is app, so I want to import screen slash homepage slash export screens slash export bar. Yep. Then in here, I just want to delete those two. I want to go down here. Control X this. And I'm gonna go into home page, P, app. Okay, let's try running that on my phone just to see that it works. If it doesn't, then I know something's wrong. Flutter run -d kb2003. Sorry, I just got water with me. Ah, I know what I did wrong. Okay, that should be fine. Oh, my neck. I'm just waiting for the app to build on my phone. Hopefully it didn't push already. Yeah, I don't see it pushing anywhere, so it should be fine. Let's see. Build failed, unexpected add sushi, name or service not known. Unknown host exception? The hell? Is this because it doesn't trust my phone? My phone doesn't trust my PC? How long ago was this? 2021. Let me just check, because it might just be that I need to replug my phone. Do I need to reseed my phone? Is that the issue? Let's try this and then reseating my phone. Does that work? Transfer photos. Does that work? There we go. Let's try this now. Basically, what I think it was that I bought a new cable for my phone, and I know that sometimes Android phones can be very iffy when it connects to a PC about, oh, this cable your laptop's authorized with a different cable, but because the cable's changed, it doesn't recognize that you're connected to the same laptop, because most of the time you'll have like a USB debugging thing pop up on your phone. Yeah, it was literally, I had to revoke the previous authorization that I gave to my laptop and then add it again. That's all. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. App's working, by the way. So now that I've done that and the actual like apps in the right hierarchy, how do I get add? Git commit. Created project architecture project was in default state, needed to separate application into different folders for extensibility. No, I could have just done DD in it. What are you supposed to? There we are. So if I go onto my GitHub. I don't know why it says C++ when this is Dart. Probably because I haven't written up Dart code yet. But yeah, this is what I've got so far. I just need to start improving it a bit more. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna make the UI for the application. So let's go into Nvim. Okay, cool. So let me just zoom out a bit. I could just literally do view page width in it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Data design. That's just the data. I don't need to worry about the data right now. I just need to make the UI so then I can fix the data later. UX UI. So following scenes are just examples of wireframes. You don't have to follow these for slavishly reproduce. We are more interested in how your application has been coded. Okay, cool. So first, okay, so all they care about really is the balance, savings, and then adding a goal, right? This transaction stuff I can't get to. So for the homepage, and they don't need the login. So literally for the homepage, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make this homepage called like save or something. So hang on, if I go into here, title is fine. I'm just gonna place this with simple budget tracker. How do I do dark mode again? Flutter dark mode, how to implement dark mode, that's fine. Theme, there we go. Theme data brightness. Brightness, colon, brightness dot light. Cool. Black. What else? Debug, show, check, node, banner, bolts. I think that's it. Yeah. And then that's just updating the theme. For this, whoops, I know I need to change something. I need to change that. Let me just D4W. Save. I know that you should use a tab view widget, which I've used before in my what's it called? In my honors project. It's really simple to use a tab view. Should I implement it? Because it won't be hard. You know what? Fine, we'll implement it. Because if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it with the intention that I'm doing it properly. I'm not going to just do it and be like, oh yeah, cool, whatever. No, fuck it, man. I'm going to do it properly. Alright, and then, oh shit. That's fine. That's scaffold. I don't need the floating action button because they don't have one on this page, do they? Yeah, they don't. That's fine. This body is fine. I want to change this column. What's inside the column though? That's fine. They don't have a counter no more, so I can just remove this. Whoops. B and then here I just delete. W. That's fine. W. That's fine. What else can I change? That looks fine for now. I want to add that circle in the top corner. Would have been nice if I wrote Flutter. That is the app bar, I'm pretty sure. Play around with app bar widget, that's fine. Oh no, it's definitely underneath the app bar. I don't think I need this. I can remove this. There. There. W. Let's see what that does. Debug show checked mode done. Whoops. Where did I put that in, man? It's probably outside in it. Hang on. Yep. Hang on. Lol. Never get this right, can I? Debug. So checked. I'm hoping black works for the what's it called? Your I figured. Nah, shit. You know what? Fine. Hang on. I can do. I suppose. Can I not add a new vertical thumbnail? That's literally just so that I can see it. Picked up Java. Okay, just run, please. Me big underestimate how long this would take to do. Yeah, push button. That's right. That's fine. That's just the code that I have in. Where is it? Here. I just had text in it. Yep, that's fine. Yeah. My phone's not charged enough, so the screen just keeps dimming. Is it this one? Yeah. There we are. Let me update this. Okay, so I need to make a tab view. Yep, that's what I want. Okay, so. Oh, I'll just do that then. So that's the home page. Then, because I've done that in there. In the home page, I can have my scaffold. Then, let me just mv Let me just remove all this because I don't need it, do I? How far down is it? I only need that one, so hang on. Yeah, that's fine. And then I have my app bar with bottom columns tab each. Bottom and columns tab bar tabs. Then I can just have a tab with icon, title, body, tab bar view, okay, tab, and then I can have, instead of icons, can I do text? Tab, yeah, I should be able to just put, what's it? Instead of an icon, can't I just put a widget? Yeah, I could just put text. Cool. Save. Tab. Text. Earn. Tab. Text. Colon. Earn. Cool, that's all the tabs. Then here I put comma. Here I put a comma. And then that's the end of the app bar. Then, because I have each of the app bars, I can just have I don't even need a title, do I? Yeah, that's fine. Then I can have my body, which I can just do body const tab. No, I don't even need const, do I? Tab bar view children colon one. Then I just have hang on. Save underscore tab. Why is this not working? Hello. LSP. Vim. The open Flutter config LSP config for Dart Flutter. Hi, multi soldier from the plugins. Plugins is on to advantage. Let me see what it says for Flutter in the plugins. Nope, don't need that one. Lua, LSP config. Nope. Doc scripts. Nope. Where's the one for Flutter? Should have probably updated NV chat before I started. Preset parser for Dart has been installed. Bruv. Oh my days. Okay. Yeah, come on. Error running setup for NVim color, attempt to call colorize. Okay. Colon directories, which key NVim NSP. Yeah. Colon is God damn it, now I need to reinstall NVChat. This is bloody great, isn't it? Genuinely. God damn. You know what? CD slash CD NVim minus git full. That's good. Okay. I love how everything that could have gone wrong has gone wrong, and now I need to fix things. For the love of God, work. Please. Okay. Let me try Alacrity again. I might need to fix the way that you guys see Alacrity now. Oh no, it's up. Okay. Engine? Nope, still weird. Why? No. It's being weird, man. Okay. Let me just grab this. Yeah. Let me grab this. Okay. Then let me grab this. Cool. Now let's do this. Yeah, come on. Install them all. Yeah. Cool. Is that done? Q. Okay. Q. Yes. Okay. Video interpreter. Documents programming. Yes. Video into Flutter. File tracker. Now in them. Colon LSP. Oh. Nope. LSP is not there. That's great, isn't it? Post install if you're new to NVIDIA tutor, okay. And then quick references, set up your config, custom Lua examples in it. Let's see. The goal of Vim Tricera, TS install. For example, to install passive. Okay. TS. Oh. Okay. Let me see what that does. Does that finally fix my issue? Nope. Mm-hmm. I don't see Dart or Flutter LS anywhere, so hang on. Colon, what else is there? There's Mason install. There's nvim packer install. ts install. Argument required, please check. Okay. There's ts install. There is ts from grammar, ts info. Update remote plugins. NV chat Flutter. Customer snippets are not displayed. Hopefully this has to do with Flutter. Friendly snippets. Dart Chad LRC. Where's my LSP server? Did my LSP server uninstall itself? Oh, that's so annoying. Oh my god. Config slash nvim. God damn it. Plugin packer compiled. Nope. Lua core. No. Plugins config. No. Examples chatLC. Init. Okay. Example file Lua custom init. Load your options here. Custom config. So I need to add a custom folder. And it overrides the core default conf. What did I have in my NV chat? I'm so confused. Why is this not working? Nvim plugin Packer compiled. That looks fine. Examples in the chat RC had nothing. In Lua, core, Packer, init.lua, no, default comp, no, init.lua, I already checked this, didn't I? Plugins, configs, LSP installer, nope, LSP config. What's in my LSP config? How do I install this? Install what Packer use requires binary. Okay, Packer install nope. Nope. Yes, this is very meta, I know. This is using COC. Never mind. You know what? It's fine. Into Flutter goal CD and then I'll just tough my way through it and then the class that's so annoying because I used to have widgets in that enabled and now it's not working and that you know what? We move. It's all good. Ah, it just means I'm gonna have to copy my code from here and there. Ugh. Really? Oh, for the love of God, please tell me. Why does that look fine then? What's wrong with this code? It's a bloody Dart file, what the hell? Mm-hmm. Did, did this get rid of... Yeah, LSP got replaced with Mason. But Mason doesn't have .ls. Do they link to Mason? Yeah, they do. Does Mason have .ls? How to install packages, LSP config, and nvim screenshots, that's fine. Requirements, that's fine. Packer vim setup, extensions, LSP config. Yeah, that's fine. I just want to see what LSP servers are. What LSP servers does it have? Flutter, nvim, LSP. Mason.nvim. Is this supported by Mason? Ugh. Mason.nvim and dot. I just need a .lsp server so I don't have to write everything myself. Come on. Yeah, add a dot server. How long ago was this? 26 days ago. Dart language server bundle with dart runtime executable. Most likely you already got dart installed, in which case you're good to go. I wouldn't recommend really be opposed to including any dart. It's borderline out of scope before opening up. I can install nvim LSP, but then was moved to Mason nvim. Of course I'm not able to find anything. This is great, isn't it? That's fine. Migration position dot code typical on old dot bin or using Packer. Where can you chuck that though? Genuinely have no clue, so I'm just gonna continue on as normal because I have absolutely no clue what to do. This is where people recommend don't use other people's configs. There we are. Flutter, tab view. I'm really annoyed with that now. Like, genuinely. You know what? We move. I swear to God, if it was just because of read only, I'm gonna be so pissed. It was because it was read only. Yeah, it's back now. Oh no, it's not. I'm stupid. It's not. Never mind. What was it doing? That's fine, that's fine. I need to export this. That's fine. Then I need to import it into homepage. Save. Oops. In here, I'm just gonna put a text widget, body with a column, and in that column I'm gonna have some children, and then I'm going to have a text widget that says this is the save page. W. Why is this being word? Column W. Why this in here? Oh, it's like that in here too. Okay. And then in here, I'm going to have the save tab. I'm going to have a text widget that says Learn tab, and then I'm going to have a text widget that says learn tab. That should be alright. Let's see how that does. That annoys me though, that whoever the creator is was like, oh yeah, this is fine. Cool cable the one. Okay, yeah, that looks fine. I don't know why it's being so funky. If I like fix this, will it like do anything? Will it make it look better? Let me just do a Q there. Am I even able to fix this? How do I fix this? Let me go this. Let me chuck it down there. CD into, and then there we are. That should fix that now. I'm also assuming that no one's watching the stream. The only one on the stream. Yeah, I'm assuming no one's watching the stream. This is the save page, earn tab, learn tab, that's fine. Yeah, that's alright for now. Cool. Then we're going to build out this bit here. So let me just do this. Whoops. Whoops. Okay, so in here, we first want to make a row, right? So actually we want to center everything in the column. So center column on x-axis, I believe it's cross-axis alignment. Main axis alignment, main axis alignment dot center. Right, so we want to justify this in the center. Then for elements we want to have, so if we break this up into multiple pieces, we have balance row, then a stack row, and then a transactions. So inside here, whoops, we have a text. I'm just going to put text here for now. We're going to have balance goes here. Then we have text for goals go here. And then we have text for transactions go here, right? So let's just run that and see what that does. Now that was interesting. It opened and then closed immediately. So there is an issue in the code base. I just don't know where it is. I'm just gonna wait for an error to load up. Hoping an error loads up. Come on. Yeah, I don't know why that's being weird. I'm just gonna remove the app from my phone and then try to run it again. Okay, let's see that run again. Yeah, come on. Balance goes here, goals go here, transactions go here. Earn tab, learn tab. Okay, so it's cross-axis alignment, definitely. Screen computer tab. Nope. Edit. And then I want to do main axis alignment, column main axis alignment dot I want to say space evenly. So cross-axis will just space it evenly. A cross-axis alignment dot center spaces it evenly in the x direction, while main axis will space it in the center in the x direction, whereas space evenly in the main axis alignment will space it evenly across the main axis of the widget. So the main axis of the widget will be, say for example for a column, is the main axis of that column widget. So that would be the y-axis. The cross-axis will be the x-axis. in the opposite way would be for a row. So the cross axis for a row is the y direction. The main axis for a row is the x direction. So we know that we're going to have to build out. Let me just look at everything. So question to think about. That doesn't matter. Setting the account duration, a goal in progress. Let me review this. Save and transactions. Name of the savings goal. Just name of the savings goal and then the amount. Deposit, withdraw, spend, share, edit. Okay. Instead of this card layout where it stacks on top of each other, I might just have a swipeable area that goes sideways. I feel like that would be easier. So like a horizontal scroll between each saving element. Or I might just have each one propagate as a separate card. Create a user experience. That's what I'm currently doing. Then integrate the Unsplash API. Then deploy a data store. Deploy APIs. Store code in GitHub, and then describe how you have built your API, your app. Sorry. Let's build out this page first. Okay, so we got that. Now we need to get this balance stuff. So we're gonna have a row. So W. So inside here we're gonna have a row, which is gonna have cross. No, main axis alignment dot Flutter rows, because I want to make it that it goes all the way to the end of each side. That's for column. Yeah, it's just the opposite of what it is. That's start. That's fine. Row, column. Start. I know there's something like space between or something. Layouts and Flutter. Layout audio set and layout add visible. Okay, now I'm gonna push this file into the vertically. That space evenly. space around, and then inside I have children, where I first have balance, which will just be a text widget. Current balance total balance, and then a dynamic value. Let's just call this balance, right? And then I'll have a button. Flutter buttons. Old, new. Okay, so that would be a text icon button. Flutter text on button. Icon button. There we are. Where is it? How many one-bound text and icon? I'll just use elevated button. Elevated button dot icon on first. This is just making an anonymous function. Then we have the icon bracket. We want the actual icons to be icons dot plus. Size, I'll say 24 should be okay, just like the one in there. And then the label should just be goal. Text bracket goal. Cool. That's fine. Text goals go here. That will just be a what's it called? My brain's gone blank. But it should just be a list view widget, and then the last one is just going to be a list view widget as well. So if I have a do. I'm going to just have a ball here. Should it be a ball? Nah, it shouldn't be a ball. Constant. Is it int? Shows how much I remember from Flutter, bro. Genuinely. Is email validator, what is it? Static int. Okay, cool. So const isn't even const. Int balance. Etc. So it's not plus, it's add, I'm guessing. Ah, goddammit. Sometimes I just need to like physically remove the application from my phone if I change the code, because then it can't overwrite the previous application that was made. It's really weird. There we go. That's just me just tapping on the screen right now. Honestly, let me add a dollar in front of that. No, I'll just add a pound sign in front of that. Let me just put a Q there, and then hang on. I don't know why it's made this file read only all of a sudden, but we move. Get it? What are we gonna do now? Let's create a goal with a name. So clicking on the elevated button should create a goal to look at. So this is the tab that is just on the homepage, right? So now we're going to make a new screen related to this tab. So inside of here, we're going to add the create underscore goal screen. We're going to have an export, no, create underscore goal slash export, but there we are. Inside here, we're going to have that. Inside here, we're going to export create underscore goal dot Then in here, we're going to export create underscore goal slash export the dot. Then inside of, we need to do this one. Yeah, that's fine. And that's fine there. Inside here, we're literally just going to grab all of save tab. V, 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 all the way to here. Y, in here, B. Change this to create goal. Create goal. Create goal. Create goal. Create goal. Create goal. I want to have a picture and a thing, so we're gonna need an app bar. When I was doing mine, did I have app bars on pages that I could go back to? Hang on. Where's me? The last time I worked on my honors project was so long ago. So hang on. Lib, SRC, screens. One that I can go back to is change email. Screen. Do I have an app bar on here? Yep, I do. So I need to add an app bar to this. Just an app bar to go back. You don't need to fill it with anything. I might just put a title in here, and then Flutter customize bar. If Dart.ls was working right now, I wouldn't have to do this app bar stuff, and I wouldn't have to look it up. Oh, this is so annoying. Okay. Actions, icons, tooltip. What has it got in there? Show snack bar. Go to the next page. Scaffold message. Tooltip, show snack bar. Friends. Show snack bar. Icon button. I'll just have the icon button with a fat X on it, innit? Then we have actions. For anybody watching this, you don't actually need like the widget thing. It's just to typecast what you're putting in your things. You don't actually need it, so it should be fine without it. What do I need? I need that's not an elevator button. I'll just use an Flutter icon button. This one's alright. It's just icons.close. I was just looking for what the X button was. Oh my days. That's funny. I looked through all of that to just be like, oh, that's what the next button is. That's cool. Icon button. Icon button. Icon colon icon bracket. Like icons dot close. Icon size, let's just say 24.0. Color, colors of gray. Splash color doesn't matter. On first, I'm just gonna do a navigator.pop. Letter navigator.pop. I just need to look at the syntax for .pop. That's push, just navigate to the pop context. Cool. Then I just have an image, form field, and then a button. So, you know what? I'm gonna reuse the code inside of this child, but I'm just gonna put text bracket image text. No, just a form field. I need to create a form. How do you create a form again? So I have a form. I'm so dumb. God damn it. I just need to check that it's not empty and then I'm good. So inside here, I just create a form. Then inside the form, do I do form then? No, I have the form first. Okay, cool. Form, then, I have the form inside the function. And then I just need to create this form key. Form key, and then, no. Hang on, let me check the screen for this. Is this inside the colon? Children, const, I want to see this definition. It's been so long since I've done this. Does this have a column inside of it? Centered column. Yeah, it does. It's fine if it's inside here. That's fine. Then you have. Oh, I'm still gonna need that, aren't I? That's great, isn't it? Okay, let's go up here. Just under here. No, not under there. Under here. Goal name, text editing, controller. Then we have final underscore form key, global key, form state. Did I even import global key? Easier than nope, it's all good. That's fine. I need to make a custom dispose though. Override void dispose. Then I need to do goal name dot dispose. No, goal controller. Then super dot dispose. Then inside of here, where I have this, that's fine. That's fine. Then form key, that's fine. Now I have a text form field. Which takes a controller, which is the goal controller. I want to check what I did for sign up actually. No, that's not the one. Was it in complete profile? End user, their form. So this has a validator. Colon. I'll come back to the validator on saved. Goal name. Do I even have that saved anyway? No, I don't. Kinchana. And this one should just be goal controller text equals goal name, right? And then inside here, I just want to put a decoration. Const input decoration with hint text being goal name. Then yeah, an elevated button's fine. Just inside this format. Elevated button. Then we have a on pressed async if form key current state not the validate date. Then focus scope or bracket context focus. Then don't need that. So if I'm currently in Save tab, going up will put me into home page. going up another one will put me into export.dart. Cool. Forgot to call the other one though. Would have been nice if I called it. Edit anyway. Then inside here on this button click, all I want to do is I want to insert a navigator push. Navigator.push. For anybody watching this, I swear to God, I know Flutter is just so annoying that I don't have any linting in this, so I have to literally just do it from the documentation. And I can't be asked to install VS Code right now to do this. Const create goal. Alright, let's see if that works. Ah, shit. Why is that giving me an error? Context. Ah, okay. I need to put a validator there. Okay, hang on. Inside here, was there any errors? No. Save tab, inside here. What was the error here? This all looked fine. Inside here, what was the errors? Okay, yeah. That's supposed to be this. Let's see what the errors are again. It might just be because I have const, and I might need to remove const in a couple of places. Oh. Validate, try inserting an identifier before there, yeah. And then elevated button, required name parameter child must be found. Too many position that's allowed, zero allowed, but two found. Context found this candidate, but the arguments don't match. Const form. Okay, let me try editing this again. Okay, so inside that's fine, key underscore form key. I don't even have that defined. How the hell? No, I do. Then what the hell? Form underscore form key underscore form key. That's fine. Form key. Yeah. Key. Form key. Yeah. I don't need this no more. Yeah. This needs a name because it's a button in it. So it actually needs to have something on there. Yeah. I forgot all this. That's just funny. What is it? I'll just add a child. Const next. Next. That's fine. The form, I don't know why it's giving me an error. Child const expected that before. Okay. That's fine there. I don't know why this form is giving me problems. Key. Oh. That's right. If it takes me literally like 4 hours to do the UI, I'm gonna be so mad. Because it shouldn't take this long. Come on. Is it already installed? Yeah, it is. It's not gonna install properly. By the way, if someone has joined the chat, I can't see chat at all right now. I don't know why. My OBS is just being funky. Chat. Yeah, OBS is saying that I can't see chat right now. That live chat is unavailable, which is great, honestly. Oh my god. Okay, cool. That's fine. That's working. Let me just add. Cool. Let me just add. What was it? Remove back button. Flutter app. Cool. Okay, so we've currently made this. We made this screen without the cards because we haven't got the cards done yet. We haven't made this because not possible. We made this screen. We're going to now make this search unsplash screen, which is just gonna have the previous what's it called? It's gonna have the previous entered element here, and it's just gonna display these widgets. I haven't got those widgets to at all. I have not got those widgets yet. Then what's it gonna do? It needs to have a placeholder for the image. I need to center the create. The create goal is fine. I just need to center the elements here. I might need to just chuck a center in this and then a space evenly inside this as well. Then do they even need me to do that bit? You know what? Today we're just gonna do UI. Tomorrow we'll do logic, because UI is a lot easier to do. Logic is a lot easier to do once you finished all of the UI elements. So now that we've done this and this second page I'll just make, and I'll just know that there's gonna be a. Hang on, let me fix the column here first. So here, this has a B down. Let me grab all this. Y P V shift. Cool. P shift that way. There we go. Cool. Then we have that. I'm gonna chuck the image under here. This is just going to be Flutter image place folder. Text image will display here. Right, so it will have the form field, then the image, then the elevated button. Then once you click on this, if it's valid, you just want to check for presence. So how do I check for presence again? It's in the name validator. Nope, this in utilities, then validators, and then name validator. Is super.presence dot action and not false, and then return initial empty field. Otherwise, return please enter a valid name. What can I do? Let me just check a validator here. Validate. Build a form of validation. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. And validated value equals in the value isn't validate. I can't see anything. Like literally, it's getting so dark in my room right now. Hang on, changing like value equivalent value. If value equals null, or value dot is empty, can please enter some no. W, yep. Cool. That's just to check that the content inside of there isn't empty. Then we've got, okay, that's fine for the form. That's fine. Then we have search unsplash, which will take the context from the current widget. So I just pass in goal controller.text. What can I do? I can take goal controller.text. I can populate it inside of there. Let me just make a new screen. It only works in named roots. You know what? It's fine. Search on slash let's export the dot call. Then inside create goal, you can just import export the dot. Then down here, I can do a navigator.push. Screens, where is it? Change email screen. So it's just burped. Navigator.push context, comma, search on splash with goal controller text. So that's for those two pages. Then in here, we would have to dynamically update either we dynamically update the create goal. So instead of name, it now says says to add how much you want to save. But instead of that, I'm thinking yeah, this will work. You know what? First, I want to check that the code that we currently have works properly. Ah, fudge. What else is weird? Error expected, comma, before this in create goal. Mm-hmm. Oh, whoops. That should be there though. Search unsplash export.dart, then in create goal has export, right? Because if you just call export, it will be in the current file. You go up one file to grab export.dart here. Search unsplash should have search unsplash. Search unsplash. Search unsplash. Yeah, what the hell? Why ain't it working? Oh, what? Mm-hmm. Why ain't this fucking... This one should take something. Quiet this whatever. Yeah, final string. Yep, there's a fine, and then inside of where? Previous messages. This one. Yep, that's fine. And then when you're calling it, you call it with If that don't work, then I don't know what to do. When you use named roots and when you switch to normal pushes instead of named pushes, it's so confusing. I recommend just using named roots instead of using these, but you never know. You might need to use a normal screen root, but normally pushing with a named root is a lot easier. Yeah, look at that. That works fine. Add doesn't work, so I need to add a name. Hi, next. Hi, placeholder for imagery. That's completely fine. Then when you click back, takes you back. When you click back again, takes you back to the normal screen. That's fine. I haven't got the UI for the. I haven't done this UI yet or this UI yet. I don't know if I should do those right now. What can I do right now? I can hook it up to Unsplash right now, probably. For assigning the budget amount, to create UI for assigning duration for the budget, to store this data in Firebase, populate initial screen with the goals, update total based on current savings amount, update total amount based on current savings amount, then image name amount. Jesus. There is loads to do. And I have to finish this on Monday. Oh, my days. Ugh. Anyway, let's just get cracking, shall we? What's next? Unsplash. Unsplash. Okay. Oh, this is why they wanted you to. Oh my days. Really? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this in a browser that you guys can't see. Just to get my creds. I'll just put the BRB screen on while I'm doing this, actually. Okay, so I was looking at the API for Unsplash, and it's okay. It's an okay API. Like everything looks, it's like a decent API. It has OAuth and everything, but it's kind of like Played where you need to have API secret and API, no, not like Played, like Binance where you have an API secret and an API what's it called? You have a secret token and then an API key. So, and it's saying that I shouldn't share those. I know that this is just for like content, but because it gives like proper API keys and the API isn't like public, that you have to actually like sign up for it and stuff, and you get your own API key. I need to figure out a way to secure that. I feel like that's why they wanted me to create an API, but because I'm doing it straight in Flutter and not with an API, it's gonna look so weird just having like exposed API keys in the code base. The other way I done it was I retrieved it from Firestore using a remote config. I know that's like the not recommended, that you should be using a separate, you should make your own API and call your data from there. But I feel like that's the only good way of doing it right now, because there's not a lot of time for me to physically just build an API while doing this. I should have started a couple of days ago, but I had interviews. Fuck. You know what? We'll just go as far as we can. But yeah, today I think that's gonna be it for the stream. Just because, like, genuinely, I have no clue how to manipulate that API yet, and I need to figure out a way to do it securely. So instead of doing Unsplash, I think we should start with Firebase, pulling that data from Firebase remote config for the API keys, and then doing Unsplash. Because at least that way I can put the API keys in remote config, not expose that to anyone, not expose that on video, and then I can literally just pull that into the application. So you might like, yeah, that should be fine, because I could literally just use the same code that I have from my monorate stuff, where I've been using remote config before, and just do it inside of this. But that's going to take a bit of time, so tomorrow I'll get that set up before I start streaming, and then I'll stream that tomorrow. I'll first do the Rust video tomorrow, then monkey type, and then I'll stream me completing this. So tomorrow will be just looking at this. I don't even think I'm going to be able to get everything done, but I'm hoping to at least get Firebase, Unsplash, and writing the data to Firebase done. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. If you dislike the video, please leave a dislike on the video, and comment down below ways I can improve content on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description, and enjoy the rest of the day. Peace.
I won't be catching